Hey guys, today we are going to see how to convert one data type to another. In this example, you can see this is data type int32. What if I want to convert this tensor into another data type? So here's how we do. Let's say z is equal to tf dot cast. We use cast. Then what we want to change, y comma 2 bits data type. Let's use tf dot float 32. Okay, and then let's print z, and yes, it has been converted to float 32. So this is how you change data types of tensors. Thanks for watching. Do comment in the comment section if you have any questions or doubts. I'll make sure that I cover them. Do like, comment, share and subscribe. Keep watching. Stay curious.